Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. I'm very excited about to jump out of my seat because, speaking of indie brand makeup, I just received a PR package from Black Moxy Cosmetics. They just rebranded, they have a new launch, and they've restocked some favorites. They are an incredible indie brand based right here in North Carolina, and I am a little bit obsessed with them. I'm going to show you the new packaging. We're going to do some swatches. We'll do a quick look. I'm excited. Let's dive in. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you enjoy the content. Also, there's a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. Thank you also to Black Moxy Cosmetics. I'm going to dive in. I can't wait any longer. I was going to wait to film because I'm still not feeling 100%, but I saw a little sneak peek, so I had to get in. So they did just rebrand. Of course, we'll get up close and personal, and they do also have a new launch, and they restocked a bunch of old favorites as well. You guys know, if you've been here, they're one of my all-time favorite indie brands, and they have some of my favorite single shadows of life. The packaging, I cannot get over it. So this is honestly, if I had a brand, this would pretty much be the aesthetic. I would change the font a little bit and it would be yellow, like a pale yellow with pink instead of lime green and pink, but holy freaking crap. How beautiful and impactful is this packaging? I think it is fantastic. They are handcrafted, they are vegan and cruelty-free, so I'll give you an idea of the shades that we have. I already have quite a few shades from Black Moxy Cosmetics. I really, really love the quality of their products as well. Just wait till y'all see these. I'm going to do the shimmers first because they tend to be a little bit easier to wash off than what the mattes are going to be. So we'll swatch the 4 shimmers. We'll swatch the 4 mattes. We'll do a quick eye look. When I'm doing a look here, I'm kind of pretty much trying to show you guys how do they blend out. And with a multi or duochrome or the beautiful sparkly shades, I want you guys to be able to see the shifts in those or the sparkle in those. I can already attest to the quality of the products, hence purchasing time and time again and being on their PR list because she knows I'm obsessed. So I'm going to go in first with the shade Icy Deuces. Oh, the shift in this, you guys. This is a very much mermaid shift. I know several of you that would love this shade. It's got a beautiful purple to teal shift. Next up is the shade Nifty, and she does now have the shades on the back, which I really, really love. That is the shade Nifty. And this is kind of a peachy pink salmon. I'm seeing a lot of like peach and yellow in here as well. These are a softer formula. I always apply these types of shades with my finger, and you can see that beautiful shift there. Next up is the shade Moody, and it is definitely a kind of grungy, deep, dark, moody purple shade. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got like green, blue, teal, tons of sparkle. Oh, that might have to be the one that goes on my eyes today. That's stunning. Oh. This is one of the prettiest shades I've ever seen. I hope I can do the shade justice. Oh my gosh. Wow. I do not feel like you guys are seeing the blue. You will definitely see it when I do kind of my little video. So that is the shade Moody. And then I thought I was saving the best for last because y'all know yellow is, it's perfection in my eyes. But that shade Moody, y'all, it is gorgeous. This is the shade Lemonhead. I love yellow, and oddly enough, lemon heads are my all-time favorite candies. So I'm very excited about this. Ooh, this also has a little bit of like a green in here. That is Lemonhead. This one I would say it doesn't really have much of a base color to it. This is going to be, in my opinion, I would use this for like inner corner or as a topper shade. Next up is the shade Illegal Pink. These I think I'm just going to do a finger swatch of just because I know there's going to be some staining on my hands and I don't have to try to show like a shift or anything with those. So that is the shade Illegal Pink. That is Illegal Pink. And I will say with their matte formula, it is a drier, more pressed pigment type of shadow, just to note that for you guys. Next up we have Kool-Aid. I love the shade. And I don't know about y'all, but back in the day when we drank nothing but Kool-Aid all the time, you never called it like it wasn't grape or it wasn't, you know, raspberry. It was, what kind of Kool-Aid do you have? Pink, red, purple. And this is a beautiful, very different purple to what I have in my collection. I'm hoping that you guys will be able to see this. It's got a lot of blue to it, but then also a periwinkle to it. So it's pretty unique. It's really beautiful. So that is the shade Kool-Aid. This next shade is Insanity. This is beautiful. This is called Dig It, and it is very much like an aubergine eggplant. Very rich, kind of blackened purple. It's stunning. This one's very, very smooth. Oh my gosh. So you can see just how dark that is. That is the shade Dig It. And then last but not least for the mattes is Heart Hacker. And it looks to be black. I'm going to assume it's black, or it is going to be a very, very rich, intense charcoal. This one is also quite smooth. Wow. They were not playing around with this black, honey. I'm gonna wipe my hand and we'll come back and do a look. Quick note, I'm using just my Shiseido pads and some micellar water. And aside from a little bit on like the purple and the pink, not an intense level of staining here, so I just wanted to note that for you guys. All right, prior to starting filming, I did go in with my Glamlight Icing Eye Base. I'm just gonna make sure I don't have any creasing. And I think I'm gonna go in with Dig It on a soft, fluffy brush. And I'm aiming for just getting like the tiniest little bit of this color because I just want to pop it right here in the outer part of my crease. And I'm tapping off any extra. Again, I don't want a whole lot. I'm not aiming for like super rich pigment here. But even using a fluffy brush and tapping off the excess, you can see that it looks quite pigmented. So I'm assuming you could really, really build this up if you wanted to. And then I want to go in with that cool periwinkle shade as well. It's just speaking to me. It's calling my name. Again, that was Kool-Aid. I love the shade of this. Like, that is so beautiful and so unique. Same thing. I'm going to kind of press it in place. And not aiming for a level of full opacity here. But you can see even just doing like a dusting, it's still showing up really, really well. And then I'm going to feather in between both shades. I think I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the dark purple. If I was aiming for full pigment, I believe that would be pretty true to pan. That is stunning. Okay, I'm going to take a clean, super fluffy brush. This is from Empress Me. I'm just going to wipe it off. And I'm gonna just follow my edges very, very softly. I just want this to be diffused a little bit more. And then again, going in between both shades. Yeah, that's beautiful. Cool. And then I thought I would be picking up Lemonhead, but Moody, she has my heart. That's stunning. And I'm hoping that you guys can end up seeing this beautiful like teal shift that's in here and all the sparkle, because it's beautiful. It is absolute. That is amazing. And I always use my fingers, not just with Black Moxy. Literally, that's how I apply shimmers. You can go in with a silicone applicator. You can go in with a, small flat diviner brush. You can wet your brush, but you don't need to. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, okay. If you've been here for a long time, you know that purple it's not typically my jam, even though I know for us brown-eyed girls, purple is where it's at, but I may be becoming a purple girl because that's stunning. I am going to go in with a flat brush, and this is only so I can get a little bit more precise right through here with it. Oh. I'm going to go in with this little Glam Light brush. I want to go back into both shades, and because this is a tighter, more pinched brush, it is going to offer me a little bit more color payoff. Oh wow, yeah, that's beautiful. I like how I said I wasn't actually trying to do a look. Oh. I've never liked purple so much in my entire life. Going back into Kool-Aid. And the fact that these are, more purple tones and deeper tones as well, and they are blending so well, not only on their own, but kind of in between where they both mix together. Okay, I'm going to do this eye off of camera. I'm also testing out a mascara. I'll let you know what it is when I come back, if I like it. Yeah, RB. Alright beauties, I'm just going to wrap up the video like this. This is my completed look. Of course, you will see swatches and everything. The link for Black Moxy Cosmetics is down below in my description box. I will also pin a comment for you guys. Don't forget to use my code HONESTBEAUTY15 to save 15%. That code is for you guys. I do not earn commission. This is the mascara. It is the BFC Beauty for Certain whole lot of mascara that I got in my BoxyCharm. So many of you guys and myself, we were all curious about it. It's just okay for the price point. I would not pay $32 for this mascara, but I'll see how it wears. It is really pretty. I think it complements the eyes beautifully. It's just not my favorite, but that is it, beauties. What did you think? What is your favorite color? Comment down below. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. All right, beauties, I'm just gonna wrap up.